Welcome to our channel. Having trouble with the eBay app? Follow these proven solutions to fix loading issues and listing errors for successful buying and selling. Step 1. Check eBay's system status first. Visit eBay's system status page or down detector to identify widespread service issues. Step 2. Force quit and restart the eBay app. Clear it from recent apps to ensure a fresh start when reopening. Step 3. Clear the app's cache and stored data. Navigate to Settings, Apps, eBay, Storage, then clear cache to remove corrupted files. Step 4. Update the eBay app immediately. New versions often contain critical fixes for loading and listing problems. Step 5. Check your internet connection quality. eBay requires stable connectivity for loading images and processing listings. Step 6. Verify your account standing. Log into eBay.com to check for any restrictions or verification requirements affecting your account. Step 7. Review listing requirements if having listing errors. Ensure all required fields are completed and images meet guidelines. Step 8. Uninstall and reinstall the app completely. This provides a clean installation free from any corrupted data or settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.